Okay, so I want to log this date and time. It is officially Saturday, September 11th, 2021, and it is 1:42 p.m. and I have officially uploaded my first TikTok video for my business. If you are a small business owner that has been considering using TikTok to promote your products and services, but you haven't joined the platform yet, keep watching because in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your TikTok account for your business, show you what the app looks like once you've signed up for an account, and also give you a few ideas for your first TikTok video. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. So as promised, we're going to jump right in and start with how to set up your business account on TikTok. All right, so I have my handy dandy phone here, and I'm going to show you on the screen what I'm currently looking at on my phone as I set up this account. So obviously, first you want to download the TikTok app. Once it's downloaded on your phone, then you're going to open it up and it says it starts on TikTok. So we have the option to either use our phone or email or continue with Facebook or Google. I'm going to go ahead and just use my email. I'm going to select my birthday here, next, and then I'm going to sign up. Now notice it will default to the phone setting. I don't want to sign up using my phone. I want to sign up using my email. So I'm going to click over to the email side and I'm going to type in my email address. All right, so it looks like now we have to verify to continue. Drag the puzzle piece into place. I can do that. It's asking me to create a password. And now it's asking me to create a username. So I'm going to use the same username. It's available, which is a great thing for me. I always hold my breath whenever I go to type it in because I want it to be consistent across the board. Remember, if you can't create consistency because the username is already taken, then come up with something that makes sense or is easy to remember for your business. We're going to hit sign up and it looks like you choose your interest. So my interest, obviously, I'm going to pick vlogs, funny, and let's see, tutorials, jobs and careers, health and fitness. Well, I'm going to delete health and fitness and put business and then just hit next. All right, so it has a video that will actually show you what TikTok's all about. But notice that it does ask for the notifications. You have to hit allow for that. And then it starts to play videos. All right, so you notice, I'm going to turn the volume down on here. At the bottom, it's saying improving your feed. What it's doing is taking those interests that I had just inputted in the screen before, and it's customizing my feed for videos that they think I will like. So very similar to what Instagram does, it will customize your feeds based on what you're engaging with, what you're viewing, and all of that good stuff. So now let's move on to the second part of this video, which is actually discovering what the app looks like now that we've signed up with an account. If you notice at the top, it actually there are two portions to TikTok, the following and the For You feed. Now, the For You feed, it looks like, is everything that TikTok thinks I will personally like. When I click on the following feed, it's telling me that this is where trending creators are and I can follow the accounts to see their latest videos here. So notice it's giving me a couple of trending creators that I may want to follow. I'm not really seeing anything here that I want to follow right now, so I'm actually going to go to the Discover page and I'm going to start looking up some people that I know are on Instagram that have also started on TikTok that I would like. So one of them is called Pick Up Limes. One right here is the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on that and then notice she's already got 3,210 followers. And I'm going to hit follow. So now when I go over back to the following portion of TikTok, I'm going to go back to the home page. Following, this is where her material should start to appear. I have a menu, and the menu includes home, discover, it's got like a plus sign in the middle, inbox, and profile. So these are pretty self-explanatory. If you use Instagram or Facebook, you probably get the gist of what this is for. With profile, obviously I want to come on here and I'm going to hit OK because I need to finish my profile out. So I need to go ahead and add a bio, save, and now that shows up on my profile. I have the option to upload a photo, so I'm going to go back and notice when I hit edit profile, it's got my handle, username. It also shows me my TikTok link now, which is tiktok.com/@theseasonedmarketer, my bio. If you're a nonprofit, you can add the fact that you're a nonprofit to that, or you can add a nonprofit to your profile, sorry. You can also link your Instagram and YouTube, which I'm going to do both of these because I want to be sure that I'm cross-promoting. Okay, so now that I have my bio done, I've connected my Instagram and YouTube accounts. I'm going to change my photo real quick. All right, and then that's pretty much it. It looks like you also have an option of putting a video up on here too, so that's something I'm probably going to go back and do as well. All right, so now that we're done with our profile, I want to see what else is available in the app. And I'm noticing that there's a heart right here to the right of where my feed or my videos are going to appear. And it looks like it says only you can see which videos you liked. So that's really great. Nobody else can see what videos we've liked here on TikTok. This one is your private videos. To make your videos only visible to you, set it as private in settings. I'm assuming that this may be something where we can actually tee up the videos before, we want to actually post them publicly to other people. At the bottom, there is a menu, and in that menu is the home, discover, the plus, inbox, and the profile. When I click on inbox, I want to see what it looks like. So it looks like it's showing me suggested accounts right now, which I'm going to ignore, but apparently all of my activities for messages will appear right here. Top, it looks like you could toggle between all activity, likes, comments, Q&A, mentions, followers, and then any notifications from TikTok. So this is the central hub, the inbox area. Similar to Instagram, up here to the right, there's an arrow. That arrow, you can actually direct message people. So very similar to Instagram if you're using Instagram right now. The discover button will be where it shows us what hashtag trends are going on right now. One of the things with TikTok is apparently there are hashtag challenges that people kind of get on board with, and this is actually going to be something that I suggest in my ideas for your first TikTok video here in the third part of this video. But this is apparently where it's showing us what's trending. In the top right hand corner, it looks like it tells us how many people are actually watching it, and then it shows us the hashtag that's trending. All right, so now to upload my first TikTok video. I'm going to walk through the steps here. I already have a video that I want to use. I'm repurposing it from an Instagram reel. It's downloaded onto my phone so that I can easily upload it. So I'm assuming that you go here to the middle box where it has a plus sign on there. And yep, that seems to be it. Now it's showing me or giving me the option to record 3 minutes, 60 seconds, or 15 seconds of a TikTok video, and it also gives me other options like to flip the camera, the speed, filters, beauty setting on or off, timers. It has effects. If you notice down here at the bottom right hand corner, it has an upload button, which is what I want to use since I'm going to be uploading something from my camera that's already made. Down the road, I'll probably do a tutorial on how to actually make a TikTok video in the platform, but for today, I'm not going to be doing that because I already have something in mind. So I select the video that I want, and that is it. Hit next. I don't need to do any cropping or editing on this video since it's just the way I want it already. I hit next. Notice now it's asking me, very similar to Instagram, to put in and describe my video, to add hashtags, or to mention other people in it. You can also add a link, so that's really great because I'm assuming this is where if you wanted to refer someone to long form content like I'm going to do with my YouTube video, then I can add my link to my YouTube video there. You have the option who can watch this video, everybody, or you can limit it to only yourself, which is considered making it private, or to your friends, so basically followers that are following you back. You also have other options to allow duet, allow stitch, save to device. The save to device portion of this is really important if you plan on repurposing videos from TikTok to potentially Instagram Reels. At the very bottom, beside the post, which is that big pink box that you also have a drafts. If this is something where you're wanting to create content ahead of time, you would click that drafts option, and then very similar to Instagram Reels, you could go back and post it later. It looks like they also give you an option to select a cover or to put a cover onto your TikTok video. All right, so that seems to be good to go. I have a cover, I have my descriptor for my post, I have my hashtags. I'm not mentioning any of my friends on here, and let me go ahead and hit post. Let's move on to the third part of this video, which is to share some ideas for your first TikTok video. Repurpose content that you already have. Obviously, if you have videos uploaded to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, consider taking either a portion of those videos, or if they're in a format already that you can repurpose onto TikTok, use those on TikTok so you're not having to recreate anything. You can simply start there. But if you don't have anything created, then idea number 2 is to create an introduction video where you basically just show them who you are and what you do. You can make this really short into 15 seconds, or if you need it to be longer, you certainly can do that as well. I would say consider putting your face on camera so that they get to know you. The great thing about doing a video like this for your first video is that you create some type of expectation for the people that are going to start following your TikTok account. Idea number 3, use music to showcase your product. Now, bonus points here if you can come up with a creative way to showcase one of your products in a manner that someone hasn't seen before. So try to be a little creative and come up with different ways that you can video or show photos of your particular product. Idea number 4, do a hashtag challenge. As we saw, hashtag challenges are a big thing on TikTok because of their popularity and also because it's something that's relevant during that time frame. So if you do a hashtag challenge, make sure that you put your own spin on it. You can spin it to something that is within your industry, something that relates to your products and services, or something that is relatable to your audience. Idea number 5, share a tip or trick that is related to your industry or to your product and service with your audience. Idea number 6, show your process. If you are in the product industry and let's say you make earrings, show them how you make one particular set of earrings from start to finish. If you're in the service industry, you can do this as well. If, let's say, you're a financial advisor, you can show them the process for a first initial financial planning meeting. Those are just a few ideas to get you started and kind of get those creative juices flowing. If you like this video, remember that every week I release a new video just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget that I have a website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where I have a couple of freebies for you to download today, so go check that out. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.